in a gallery filled with the essence of a wild. Doreen McGonigal, fine art photographer, invites us into her world of captivating imagery. Her lens doesn't just capture moments. It encapsulates stories that echo the call of the wild, resonating with a deeper purpose. Stepping foot into the Botswana game reserves, Doreen finds herself immersed in a symphony of life. Every click of her camera becomes a testament to the precious biodiversity thriving within these protected lands. Through Doreen's lens, we witness the majesty of the African wilderness, a mother elephant guiding her calf through the tall grass, lion cubs playfully pouncing on one another, and the elegant stride of zebras against the golden horizon. Beyond capturing mere images, Doreen's goal is to ignite a spark of awareness. The Botswana Game Reserves is not just a canvas for her art. It's a sanctuary that needs our protection. Through her photographs, she aims to amplify the voices of those who tirelessly work to safeguard these precious habitats. Doreen's journey also unveils the dedication of organizations like the Botswana Department of Wildlife and National Parks and the Wildlife Conservation Society. Their collaborative efforts serve as a beacon of hope for the future of wildlife conservation. Doreen would like to remind us of our shared responsibility to protect and cherish our planet's treasures. Through her lens, she invites us to embark on a journey of discovery, advocacy, and preservation, a journey that celebrates the wild and its enduring legacy. Join Doreen McGonigal in her quest to preserve the magic of the wild. Together, let's ensure that future generations inherit a world where nature's beauty knows no bounds.